Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Facebook ad payment method, Ads Manager setup step by step clearly. Open your web browser and log into the Facebook account that manages your ads. Go to Ads Manager by visiting facebook.com/adsmanager. In Ads Manager, look at the left menu and click the All Tools option if the menu is collapsed. Find and click Billing to open your payment and invoice settings. On the Billing page, locate the Payment Settings section. Click Payment Methods to view the cards, PayPal, or other methods connected to your ad account. Check the top of the page and confirm you are in the correct ad account if you manage multiple accounts. If you need to switch accounts, click the Account dropdown and select the correct ad account. To add a new payment method, click Add Payment Method. Choose the payment type you want to add, such as credit or debit card, PayPal, or local bank option if available. Enter the required details carefully, including card number, expiration date, and security code if you selected a card. Type the billing address exactly as it appears on your bank statement to avoid verification issues. Click Save to store the new payment method in your account. If Facebook asks for verification, follow the on-screen prompt to confirm the payment method. To update an existing card, select the current card from the list of payment methods. Click Edit if available, or remove the old method and add the updated card details as a new method. To remove a payment method, click the method and choose Remove, then confirm the action. Make sure you keep at least one valid payment method if you want your ads to continue running. To set a default payment method, find the payment method you want to use and select Set as Default. Check that the default method now shows as the primary option for future charges. If you are using manual payments, confirm the payment balance and add funds if required. If you are using automatic payments, confirm the payment threshold and make sure your method can be charged online. Review any past due balance shown in billing and clear it to prevent ads from being paused. Go to the Transactions or Payment Activity area to confirm recent payments are processed correctly. If your payment is being declined, double-check card limits, online payment permissions, and 3D secure settings with your bank. If you see a country or currency mismatch, verify your ad account currency because it cannot be changed later. For Business Manager users, open business.facebook.com, then go to Business Settings and confirm the same payment method is added there if needed. Return to Ads Manager and refresh the page to confirm your updated payment method appears correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.